Hello YouTube, this is me Indra. In the previous tutorial I have displayed the data in JTable using array list from SQL Server database. Now in this tutorial I will show you how to set JTable selected row data into text field, RadioButtons, checkbox and combo box. That is, when I click on the data from the table, it should be displayed in this field, in this RadioButtons, checkbox and combo box when I click on this data. So for this, what we have to do is we have to get the index of the data that we select from the JTable, and also we have to create the table model. So for this, let us start our coding. Right click on the table and go to events and go to mouse and click on mouse clicked. So this is the area where we have to provide our code. JTable display underscore user mouse clicked. So first of all, we have to get the index from the selected row and store it in the variable. For example, I will be using integer variable integer I equals to name of our table is JTable underscore display underscore user. Let me copy this and place it over here. Dot get selected row. Then after, for table model also, table model equals to name of our table dot get model. So let me import this table model. Add import table model. So now we have to write the code to display it in the related field. So for that, let me check the name of text field. We have symbol number in table, but we do not have text field in text field for symbol number. You can drag and drop text field for symbol number also, but I did not find it useful, so I haven't placed the text field. So let me check its name. It is name. It is. So for placing the table data into the text field with a variable name dot set text model dot set text model dot get value at index I, and symbol for 0 is for symbol number, 1 is for name dot to string string. So let me copy this. This is for name, this is for address, and it will be 2 for index. Now for gender, let me define string variable. String let it be 6 equals to model dot get value 8 I. This will be 3 for gender dot to string. We have to convert this into string. So there are 2 radio buttons we have to handle using if statement. If sex dot equals there are 2 fields, male and female. So let me show you in the database. Male is in capital letter, the first letter is in capital letter. It should be similar in the code also, MALE. If male is selected, what we have to do is we have to check the radio button, male radio button. So the name of our radio button is male dot set selected. This should be true. If male is not selected, what we have to do is we have to select the female. Female get selected. So this is for gender. Similarly, for knowledge also, there are two checkbox. String knowledge equals to model dot get value at, this is I with 4 dot to string. Then after I will be using switch statement for this. Switch knowledge and there are two checkbox for Java and Python. So for the first one, case Java. So be careful while writing Java over here. In the inverted comma, don't write Java only, you have to provide a space over here, because let me show you in the code. I have provided a space in the code in the earlier tutorial. So when it stores in the database, it will store Java and a space. So you have to provide a space over here also. Inverted comma Java and a single space and provide colon. Then after when Java is selected, what we have to do is name of our checkbox is for Java dot set selected. This will be true. Similarly, when core Java is selected, Python should be unchecked. It should be made false. So let me copy this from here. Okay, we have to write break also to break the row. We copy this. Let me look for the Python also. Python in a single space. So when Python is selected, what we have to do is Python.set selected should be true and core Java should be false. So when both are selected, default. If both are selected, what we have to do is, let me paste it. If both are selected, make both true. If the user have knowledge in both fields, both checkbox should be checked. So this much for knowledge. Now the last one is subject. So let me define string variable for this also. String subject equals to model dot get value at I, this is 5 dot to string. Then after I will be using switch statement again. Switch subject. Since subject variable I have already used, so let me make it subject 1. Then after case, there are altogether 5 subjects: computer science, management, humanities, arts and education. Let me show you. Okay, let me write the code at first and I will show you. Case for computer science. It should be exactly this name should be exactly that is stored in the database. For example, the first letter is in capital letter, it should be similar when you write the code over here. So when computer science is selected, what we have to do is subject dot set selected index to, this is first one, so it should be make 0. Then after we have to place the break statement, break. So this is for computer science. Let me run and show you. Okay, we have altogether 5 computer science, management, humanities, arts and education. All have capital letter at the beginning. All word have capital letter at the beginning. It should be similar. So for the second one, let me copy this. This for education, management, humanities, arts and education. Let me rename all these. Management, index 1. This is for humanities with the index 2. Arts with the index 3. And the last one is education with the index 4. So these values should match with the database value. These all values should match with the database value. Let me show you. It should match with this value. Okay, the coding is complete. So let me run and show you. Okay, when I click on the table data, it should be displayed in the text field, RadioButtons, combo box and checkbox. Okay, Hari, address Lakhanpur, gender male, knowledge Python, education is in the subject field. Let me check for with the knowledge Java and Python. Yes, it is correct. For Java, she is female, it is correct. And okay, it works fine. So in the next tutorial, I will show you how to update the data that we have stored in the database. So thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.